Jadi Dari. On the halfway right now. Yeah. Still few more kilometer left. See, this is Jadi Dari. This is the second part. Make yung manang niya. Ikaw rin saksuhan. Yeah. Ni cyclist video group ko na. Right now. Yeah, biar pun nak kita manggen, na alsubi ya biar pun nak sokong, dah na cycling na itu sokong, na cuma na cycling aku nak cuma nak kita manggen. Kilometer cibi ba, kilometer cibi yang kata ya, yang nak kita nune. Wah, Simsang bridge ko mater, iban nak kita nama. Kalau yang bonsot ke bak ya kon Jadi Dari ni yang ada. Ya, boleh video kita dia aku dah kau ni, kau nak jemput nak kita manggen. Ya, aman asam garu ini, kau kita dia semua. Asyik lekar kamu pura mana aman asum ni keman, lekar sirak keman ni keman. Kalau sekarang yang siapa, expenditure kaya lekar mana, longnya nak kuciung ni ya, kami kirim kuciung ni ya. Ni keman, asam pada kau siapa kau rebai, ekspor kapal Cina, nipas Cina, kalau mana ke, siram cibi siram kau asyik rupung dah kita nak, mana, siram cibi kau rupung kau asyik ni garu nipas ni aman asum kau dijogen, kalau bol barang kau asyik rupung dah nak nude, siram ram samgen mo. Ini mana sila ko diyan mo ri ba ni kuatan nirang ko takangna aro yan lokal ni man nirang nung barang ko diyan encourage kana sila ko ri wamang ba dak ko diyan ko hangbang erak sina wamang ba tuton kang sina atin bigyan nirang ko ba kang silunang na.
This is one of the very beautiful place in East Garo Hills district, situated in about 12 kilometers from Williamnagar. You can come here and enjoy this place. This place is very beautiful. You can see the waterfalls. Local tourists and outsider also come here and enjoy this place. This is very beautiful place, and you can give encouragement to the local people so that they can promote this type of place for the tourism, and they can earn money. Local people also can earn money by this tourism. So with this we are going to end up a video. Right now we are going to pack our belongings to back our home. Thanks for watching, and next time we are going to upload new videos. Keep on watching. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you all for watching my video. Next time I'm going to show you more videos. Thank you.